Hey there, language enthusiast. Welcome back to Single Step English. My name is Steve. In today's lesson, we're exploring a common phrase, changed my mind. Let's get into it. When someone says, changed my mind, it means they have reconsidered a decision or opinion. It's a way of expressing that you now have a different view or choice compared to before. For example, if you initially plan to go to a movie but decide to stay home instead, you might say, I changed my mind. Let's have a relaxing night at home. Or if you were thinking of ordering pizza but decide to order a salad, you could say, I changed my mind about ordering a pizza. I want to order something healthier. Change my mind is a handy phrase to say that you are changing your decision or opinion. Practice using it in your daily conversations, and soon you'll be expressing your changing thoughts naturally. Maybe I'll finish here. No, wait, I changed my mind. I want to ask you to click on the like button if you enjoyed this video and share it with others. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.